Hi, Simon Harris here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite features on JVZoo, which is the phone. So in most videos, you're just going to see a straightforward tutorial on how to set this up. But in this video, I'm actually going to give you the system that I use. So I'm actually going to show you the landing pages that we build, how we get our sales reps onto these calls, and how we close high ticket sales using affiliate traffic, and how JVZoo makes this completely easy, completely hands off, and gets everyone paid their fair share. So hop over with me to my computer right now, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Awesome. So like I said, there's many different ways to use the phone room. So the first one I'm going to show you is where you can use affiliates to run directly to your book or call funnel. So like everything good at JVZoo, it all starts with adding your product listing to our marketplace. Now, what you'll do is you'll come over to sales dashboard, and you'll click add a product. Now, I've already done mine in here just to get speed through this process. Many of you will be familiar with setting up this product process, and as you see, all the sections are above, and then you just kind of go ahead and follow, as the questions come up. Now, one thing that's different here is that you're going to be leaving the sales page URL completely blank or putting 0 in there, right? The reason for that is that you're going to be selling this on the phone. Technically, your sales page is the salesperson on the other side of the phone. Now, when you scroll down here a little further on these toggles, you want to make sure it's discoverable for affiliates if you want to use those. You can have it show in the marketplace as well. You can consider us pushing it for you guys as well, and also making sure you slide this phone room exclusive product, right? So this lets our team know that this is a phone room exclusive product, so the sales page isn't needed. Then, just like normal, you go ahead and grab your payment processors, Stripe, PayPal, us, all those people, set your product price. Now, I'll talk a little bit more about product price lately. So for us, let's have this at a, this can be a 1,000. Let's do a $10,000 product. Now, that doesn't matter because there's some cool features inside the phone room that lets you change up that price based on what's going on the phone, right? Then you click save, end your refund policy, set up how many affiliates you're going to auto approve, the commission they get, any notes you want to give them, product access, checkout page. Now, the cool thing about the checkout page is that most of the time we encourage you, and this is just based on my experience, that you should try to always take the credit card details on the phone and close them right there. Some people might want you to send the invoice over. You can do that in the system, which I'll show you shortly. So that means you still need to spend a little bit of time on your checkout pages. I recommend the above the fold one. This is a trial and tested one that's performing the best right now. You should always test yourself, but that one is one of our favorite ones, and it's brand new, has timers and everything good on that side of stuff. Then on the advanced side of things, this is where you would again put your product access, all that good stuff, integrate with your autoresponder, add your pixels, all that good stuff that you would normally do. Then you send it to review, we review it, approve it, and then you're good to go. So easy peasy, right? That's super easy to do. Now, the next thing you do is you need to make sure that you have your agents ready to sell. So one thing that your agents are going to need is a JVZoo account so that we can pay them and make sure this is completely hands-off for you. We want to make sure that you are ready, that they have their own account, that they send their bank account details, all that up, and they get paid through JVZoo Pay. Now, a couple of cool features here, as I try to slow down for you guys, is just click Add Agent. You put their email address in, and you put a default commission. Now, some of you might be selling multiple different phone room products with different commissions for your sales reps. Go ahead and just put the default in for now. And then when you're over here, you can hit the 3 dots and do commission overrides. So then you just find the product that you want to give them different commissions for, and then they'll list them all down here for each agent. So really easy. And if you need to deactivate agent at any time, then you can just hit the 3 dots again, and you just go ahead and deactivate the sales rep. Super simple. Now, when the sales rep logs in, they'll see phone room on the left hand side too, and they will just see make a sale. So they can go ahead and click make a sale, and they're ready to go. Now, as I promised, I'm going to show you our pages or the formula, exactly how we run this. So here is our page. So here is one of the pages, super simple. We just have a headline, a video explaining the case study, the method. Sometimes there's even a webinar, and then a link to book a call strategy. Now, one of the main things when you're getting your getting set up is that the affiliates need to grab their affiliate link. So over here, you'll send them to your affiliate details page, right? So they'll request that link, they'll get approved, they will copy that link, and they will send it through here. So as you can see, I sent my affiliate link, it comes to this page, they watch the video, and their affiliate link is in the URL. Now, one of my favorite tools is Typeform. Many different form applications do this. When they click this button, Typeform automatically grabs the URL and even the source URL in the code. So the AID is in here. I've set it up for it to capture it in a hidden field. So when I head over to my Typeform results, you can see here the AID is collected without the need for them to put it in, right? You can just go through here, see the ID never pops up. They can answer all the questions, obviously, and then they're good to go, right? Super simple, right? Now, what would happen then is, most people know, if you've ever run them before, is the agent always gets sent the results in an email, or they have direct access to this, right? So then they'll be able to put the ID in. So when they come into the phone room and they're ready to make a sale, right, they will just click new customer. They will go to the result and they will grab the customer's name, copy. Right, or first of all, they need to pick a product. So let's do phone room demo. And then they'll come in again and put the name in. And then they can grab the email address of the person as well and put this in the email address. And then they would go ahead and put the affiliate ID in the right box. Now, in the other video, I'll show you how this is auto pre-filled based on what the customer did inside the funnel beforehand. But if you're just running direct to a call center, this is very simple, right? So one cool thing that the agent can do, if they're on the call and say, as you see, this is a $10,000 product. If you want to offer payment plans, you can easily do that. So one of the big things I recommend too is, if someone is interested on the phone and you want to hold their spot, you can take deposits. So that's one thing we do a lot. We always try to take a 10% deposit minimum, even if the person is going to pay the full amount in 7 days or 3 days and wants to speak to their wife, right? So we always try to take some money on the call, because there's a higher conversion rate for them coming back. We just let them go and then have to follow up. It kind of, the conversion rate drops down. So I like to do payment plans. You can do a custom first payment. So I always like to tell our team, if you're taking a deposit, 10%, but if you're getting them into the program, then it needs to be at least 30% or half. Half is the number I like. 30% if someone really is qualified. So let's just say we want them to pay, say we're just going to put them on half today, and then what they're going to do is, in 30 days, they're going to pay $1,000 in 30 days, and then they're going to pay, and they're going to basically pay off the other 5 over 5 months. So the total payments are going to be 6, right? So it's going to be $5,000 today, and then they're going to have 5 more payments of $1,000 every 30 days, right? So as you can see here, the price ends up being $10,000 total, $5,000 immediately, followed by $1,000 after 30 days. After that, 4 payments of $1,000 will be made every month, right? Now, what's cool, I can already hit. So if I put here affiliate ID, let's just put JVZoo's affiliate ID, which is number 1 for now, and I click generate. I can go ahead and check out for them right here. As you can see here, BBC Systems is now, which is JVZoo, is now the referral. It's sold by me, and I can just go ahead and collect all the customer's data, like, address, stuff that I don't have, instantly their credit card, and confirm their order, and it's done. Now, like I talked about earlier on, if someone is saying, hey, I want to think about it, or can I pay later on, you can actually send an email to the customer. So I'm just going to actually put my email in here. I can just go ahead and I can click send to customer, and then that email has been sent to me, to go ahead and finish paying that off. So let me go ahead and show you that. Awesome. So here we are inside our inbox, and it says JVZoo call your invoice for phone room demo. So that would be the product name, payment link inside, and here's all the details the deal, and then I can go ahead and click make payment. And it will pull in, as you can see, it will pull in here everything I need to pay right now. Auto toll, confirm and place. That's it. Super, super simple to do. If you have any questions for Phone Room, I know it's a process. If you have any questions on how to convert, how to find a phone room team, how to set up stuff, we do have VIP onboarding. So if you need help getting your call funnel set up, let me know. And also, don't forget, there's going to be a part 2 of this where we use self-liquidating offers, front-end offers, and full funnels, and then add this phone room feature to the end where it automatically pays out the affiliate that drove you the original low ticket sale. So if you have any questions, my name is Simon Harris. You can always reach out to me at simon@jvzoo.com. Hit me up on WhatsApp, Facebook, anything you need. Myself and the whole JVZoo team are here, and I want to thank you for considering us and doing business with us. Thank you so much. Bye for now.